Hello all, welcome back to cyberaditya.in. In this tutorial, we will learn about the variables. In my previous tutorial, I had taught you how to install Java in Linux as well as how to run a simple hello bro program. But now, we will learn about the variables. So to start with variable, we need to understand what are variables actually. So variables are the container which holds the value in it or holds a data in it. So the variables are of different types. There are mainly two types of variables. First is the primitive types, that are predefined variables which are already defined by the Java, and the other one is a class type which we going to understand later. So to understand primitive data types or primitive variables, there are 8 primitive types of variable in Java. They are boolean, byte, char, double, float, int, long and short. It's written shorty here, sorry, it's a spelling mistake, so I will correct it soon, or probably not. So boolean contains only the value in the true or false format because it is a logical data type, whereas byte, which is a byte size integer which has the size of 8-bit, and other one is a char which is a single character and have a size of only 16-bit, and the double, let's move on to double, which is store double precision floating numbers and have the size of 64 bits. So as the float, int, long and short, which you can easily find in my blog, and you probably know, you better understood. So let's come to the main topic about creating a program that will store the value. For example, let's create a program through gedit. In my previous tutorial I had taught you through the gedit, but now we will using gedit because it is a rich text editor as compared with gedit. So to understand variable, we should create a program name as variable.java. so gedit will create a variable.java file, and it will take some time to load. Okay, done. Now we need to create a class as mentioned in my previous tutorial as also. So every program has a main method which is marked by public static void main string args. So probably I do some mistake. No. Oh, get the rate of snapshot. Okay, cool. So let's take an example of int. So we can declare our variable through int or float. As mentioned, 8 types are here, so each one has a different capacity and a different purpose to hold the data in it. For example, int will only hold the integer values which is in the integer format, and this line is known as variable declaration. Whereas if I assign the value to the variable such as a equals to 7, is known as variable initialization or variable assignation. So we can instead of writing in a 2-line, we can also write in a single line statement as a equals to 7, which means the same. So to understand it better, let's take an example of through the paint editor. So let's wait for a while. So what int will do, int will create a bucket which is the int bucket, and it will create a variable name a inside it. So it will assign the 7 value inside it. So whenever I call a, the value 7 will be printed on the screen. So if you don't believe me, then I will show you. System.out.println. So Let's save our program through variable.java. Let's close it, and to compile our program we need to type javac followed by variable.java. So compilation done, and to run the program we need to type java followed by the variable. So as you can see, 7 printed on the screen. So that means a hold the value of 7, and we had printed 7 on the screen. So likewise you can take an example of any other data type which may be char. So the character, let's create a variable ch named char and assign the value a to it. So whenever I want to print the value of a on the terminal, so I just type system.out.println followed by the character name, so character variables. So likewise we can do only, there are 8 different types you can understand and read the theory on my blog. So probably you are matured enough to understand what the heck is going on here. So sorry, variable.java. So compilation successful. Let's run our program through java followed by variable. When I press enter, 7 and a printed on the screen. As simple as that. So thanks for watching this video tutorial, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel if you like my page, and keep visiting cyberaditya.in, and don't forget to give suggestion to improve my blog. I know my communication skills are not good and my English is too poor because I hadn't speak English from a long time. So probably I don't know how to speak in English. So my English will improve day by day as I am creating videos. So thanks for watching. Keep visiting cyberaditya.in.